Hi, I'm Mark Moffitt, the Director of Vehicle Services. Welcome to DVS. Our agency delivers efficient and effective vehicle fleet management services that offer reliable, economical, and environmentally sound transportation and related functions to a wide variety of agencies and departments within Fairfax County, to include our friends at Fairfax County Public Schools. An important component of operating a large municipal fleet is ensuring that vehicles are reliable and when maintenance is required, that they're repaired quickly and efficiently. This requires a dedicated and talented team of technicians and parts staff who have the tools required to perform this work on a daily basis.
DVS supports all public safety and county agencies by purchasing, maintaining, repairing, and ultimately disposing of county-owned vehicles. DVS oversees and ensures the upfit of vehicles with state-of-the-art technology for both Fairfax County Police and the Office of the Sheriff. The agency also supports Fairfax County Public Schools by maintaining and repairing all of their school buses. DVS maintains the largest municipal fleet in Virginia and the 9th largest school bus fleet in the nation from one of our 4 facilities, and the staff at each of these locations strive to maintain excellence in their work. Since 2016, all 4 DVS facilities have been honored to meet the Blue Seal of Excellence Recognition Program standards established by the National Institutes for Automotive Excellence. More than 100 technicians have an Automotive Service Excellence certification. This is a testament to their professionalism and commitment to their trade. Professional technicians are trained to perform scheduled and non-scheduled work on most vehicles and equipment and build specialty vehicles to customer specifications. Services range from state inspections, oil changes, and tire replacement to bodywork, decals, and troubleshooting transmission and engine issues. DVS coordinates recalls, warranty work, or significant damage with contracted commercial vendors. These tasks are split between our 4 facilities. Our Germantown facility receives all new vehicles. Technicians at this location are responsible for the configuration and upfit of new vehicles for the Fairfax County Police Department and the Office of the Sheriff. The goal is to provide police and first responders with safe and reliable vehicles that are configured to perform their mission effectively and efficiently.
Here at the Germantown Maintenance Facility, we have over 2,300 vehicles. Everything that we work on here is typically 1 ton or smaller in vehicle size. We have 30 mechanics, 2 shifts. A big part of what we do is the upfitting of the police cruisers. Basically, upfitting is bringing in new police sedan vehicles or more extravagant canine utility vehicles for the police officer dogs. And upfitting them includes installing the light package, siren packages, police cage, officer security cage, prisoner partitions. A lot of thought's put into how every single car is built, to where they're all built identical or as close to identical as they can be, to where if any officer gets in any different car, the light switches are in the same place and provide the same operation. Our ultimate goal would be to provide the most reliable and safe vehicle for all of our police officers and first responders.
Just west of Germantown and adjacent to the Fire and Rescue Training Academy is the West Docks Maintenance Facility. This facility maintains a large variety of units, ranging from the fire and rescue tillers and school buses to trailers and vans. When accidents happen, the on-site body shop repairs and paints dents and damage on these vehicles.
Diagnostic engine work. Back in the day, it used to be done really with a screwdriver and ear to the screwdriver to see where the noise was coming from. Nowadays, we hook up a computer that hooks up to the 8 to 16 onboard computers, and we download information that leads us to the component that is malfunctioning. So that's just one of the basic things we do with computers. We also use diagnostic tools that hooked up to the onboard computers to fine-tune the engine, emissions control systems, and in some of the newer vehicles, transmissions and braking systems as well. Technical training is required for every single technician. Specialized training will depend on what type of vehicle they're working on and what type of work do they do. Specialized training is ongoing is definitely continuous, and it changes quite often because the manufacturers constantly finding new ways to better the way that we do maintenance and repair procedures. Yeah, the greatest benefit from training is the technicians know what to do when they encounter a problem with a vehicle, and the faster that they address the issue, the faster they fix the vehicle, the faster we get the vehicle back on the road. Training has been embraced very well. Technicians benefit greatly from knowing more about the product they're working on, and there's some sort of pride having been able to come back to the government and work in a county where you're not working for the money anymore, you're working for the pride of making sure that the fleet is being taken care of and the kids are being picked up and the emergency vehicles are getting to the sites where they need to be. So there's a little bit of pride that goes with that.
The Newington and Albin maintenance facilities are located in the southern part of the county and are just a few miles apart from one another. Newington is the largest and newest facility, and it maintains a wide range of vehicles, while Albin maintains the heaviest and largest units.
Here at Newington, we work on a lot of vehicles, including maintenance. Maintenance is one of our main priorities, but we do a lot of repairs also. We work mostly on school buses. We have approximately 700 to 800 school buses, depending on what the fleet is fluctuating at the time. We also work on refuse vehicles here and fire engines, ambulances, and police vehicles, and we also work on some of the motor pool vehicles here. Most of our work is done in-house. We do various repairs with electrical, suspensions. Most of the work that we send out are either due to heavy vehicle accidents, needing frame stretchers, or anything like that, or in-frame engine repairs that require many hours that would keep us behind in keeping maintenance up on the rest of the fleet. We go through various factory training to maintain our education in order to keep up to date with our vehicles here. DVS is also integrating with ASE to make sure that we are Blue Shield certified shops. I myself am a master technician, L1, G1, heavy truck, and school bus. We have protocols and policies in place and training on a regular basis to keep us safe here and situationally aware. Advancement in the agency is possible. We have a lot of people in the agency that started out on the floor as a mechanic one, and now they are leading the entire shop. So as far as your ambition and your situation can allow, you can advance up the ladder in the agency.
Newington's a little bit unique as we service the most variety out of everything, so we have a little bit of everything. We have everything from trailers to police cars all the way up to trash trucks, buses, fire trucks. My role here at Newington is I'm a mobile roving mechanic. I'll go around to police and fire stations and see what they need and help fix them on site, so that way they don't have to take time out of what they're doing to come to the shop. I keep stuff in service, keep it ready to go and ready to respond. When we're working on any type of vehicle, we do try to use PPE, personal protective equipment, anything from glasses to gloves to hearing protection while we're working on the unit. We also, as in regards to doing our repairs, we use a vehicle check sheet during preventive maintenance to go around and try to help identify certain key things to check every service and to help identify anything that needs to be repaired. And we also have a team that comes in behind the mechanics called QC, Quality Control, and they check over our work to make sure everything was done efficiently and in the right way to keep the community safe, so they know that there's checks in place to help maintain vehicles. I definitely take a lot of pride in my work, and it helps me, gives me a sense of purpose to come to work every day, because I am helping the first responders, the fire and rescue department, police department stay in service so they can keep responding to calls and helping the community, because it keeps an active base so the community can always feel safe that we are currently trying to keep a fleet always ready to go for any time they're in the need.
Here at Albin, we work on mostly the tractor trailers, the transfer trailers, moving the trash for the county. We work on the heavy equipment trailers that haul all the equipment for the county, and we work on some school buses. And here we have roughly 364 vehicles in all. Having an in-house parts department really helps with, helping us be able to fix these vehicles quicker, which helps get them back to the customer sooner. It helps with the productivity here in the shop. I've been here for a lot of years, and I've always taken pride in what we do here for the county. Having safe vehicles provided for the county, and with having these guys here and getting the ASEs and being one of the first municipalities to have that for Virginia is awesome.
As you can imagine, The parts inventory is very comprehensive to support the variety of vehicles and equipment owned by Fairfax County. All 4 maintenance facilities have a parts room with knowledgeable staff who stock at least 5,200 parts at an annual value of at least $3 million.
It's important to have a well-stocked parts department, as big as this fleet is here in the Newington facility. We have like 1,900 vehicles that we maintain here, just here at the DVS Newington. I have a great crew under me. We work together as one big unit. And the most important thing too is just, as long as we have the parts for them, for the mechanics, we can get those vehicles out and running. And we have 2 shifts, and both shifts are equally busy. So it's very important to have a well-stocked stockroom here. Our customers here, especially the safety vehicles, public safety vehicles like police and fire, we have to keep them up and running, no matter what. Because Fairfax County taxpayers count on us, and we keep the county rolling.
The Fuel Operations Program provides gasoline and ultra-low sulfur diesel fuel to 53 sites across the county at discounted rates. Fuel sites are designed to replicate a typical gas station, but an automated fuel management system takes the place of a credit card or pay station. DVS is dedicated to protecting the environment, and to show its commitment, the Department of Vehicle Services has proudly participated in the Virginia Environmental Excellence Program with the Department of Environmental Quality for over 15 years.
The goal of Department of Vehicle Services is to provide effective and efficient vehicle maintenance for all the user agencies. And the reason we do that is so they can accomplish their mission for ultimately the citizens of this county. We do have a lot of preventive maintenance in the Department of Vehicle Services, and we actually have plenty of staff for that. But we also have staff on hand to accommodate emergencies that arise. So our calls come in through our dispatcher through either a 2-way radio, a phone call, or even perhaps an email to where there may be issues that come up. And we determine at that point whether we're going to send out a road technician, call for a tow truck, or even summon the vehicle to the facility for a repair. I absolutely take pride in working for the Department of Vehicle Services. I've been here for 27 years and feel that I contribute to the community in Fairfax County that get the kids to school, fire trucks, police cars to emergency situations, and I take pride in that, being a part of that.
We are proud to support our customers and maintain a fleet that helps our staff support the residents of Fairfax County.